Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Yahoo password. I have a Yahoo password from, way back. I think that was my first email even before I knew Gmail, but for some reason, I rarely use it. So for that reason, I kind of forgot the password. So recently, I've been actually trying to reset my password. Let me first actually do this. Let me first cross this. Okay. So I put in my email and I do the same. I do the usual stuff like put in an email, then you click on forgot password. Then Yahoo will give me like some suggestions. Get a code at you know your email. Get a code on your phone. I had an email there, secondary email. I had my email there, and I've tried actually all of these. Okay, except the first one. I've tried to get a number on my number that I used, and I tried to get a call, but it couldn't come. Okay, I don't know what's up, but this is something which I did like for last 2 days, and it didn't work. I even tried to use my email, and it didn't work. Okay, so until I decided, okay, I tried this on WhatsApp, it didn't work. Text message, it didn't work. Getting a message or my secondary email, it's also kind of failed to work. I don't know if it's a temporary glitch at Yahoo, but what I did is I went and used verify using the Gmail. Now this one works if you entered a Gmail in your Yahoo as a secondary email. Okay. Now good enough for me. I can just verify using my Gmail. In other words, I just log in using my Gmail. It's kind of cool. So you kind of I think I can say remind me later, or you can. So you kind of actually get a code on your email, then you log in. Actually, since I just logged in, so here it's actually just actually logged in automatically. Okay. So in other words, if you have a Gmail which you added, you can just verify using your Gmail. If you're not logged in, they'll tell you to actually log into your Gmail, and that is it, guys. All right. So that's how I covered my long term Yahoo, which I think is more than 20 years ago, I think. So that's how you can actually reset your password. Okay. If all the reset options are kind of failing, just try to log in with your Gmail. Let me know if this has worked for you in the comments below. I appreciate a like, I appreciate a subscription, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.